Lil Redd Wrecker is one of the most unusual custom tow trucks ever built. Although it is closely associated with legendary customizer George Barris and comedian Redd Foxx, the vehicle's history began several years earlier. The truck was originally designed in 1970 by renowned automotive designer Ed Newton for California show cars, owned by Bob Reisner and Jay Orberg. Fabrication was carried out by Dan Woods, while other sources also credit Dick Dean with building the body. At the time, the vehicle was painted blue and called the Turnpike Hauler. Unlike many show cars of the era, it was fully functional rather than a static display. The hand-built steel body was mounted on a tube-frame chassis and featured a dramatic tilt-front cab with a tinted skylight. Its futuristic front end included an oval tunneled grille, quad rectangular headlights, chrome mesh inserts, and extensive chrome trim. Power came from a chrome-plated, supercharged 392 cubic inch Chrysler Hemi V8 mounted in the middle of the chassis. The truck also featured a Corvette rear suspension, center steering, right-hand power brakes, a left-hand hydraulic accelerator, and hydraulic controls. The interior, created by Joe Perez, was finished in crushed blue velvet with foam pattern upholstery and antique-style vinyl. At the rear, a fully chrome-plated recovery unit was operated by electric push-buttons. Dual-moon fuel tanks, deep-dish chrome wheels, custom pinstriping, gold leaf graphics, and multiple coats of candy apple red paint completed its unmistakable appearance. Around 1974, George Barris acquired the truck, repainted it red, renamed it Lil Redd Wrecker, and promoted it as a custom tow truck for comedian Redd Foxx, star of the television sitcom Sanford and Son. A planned episode would have featured Fox's character winning the lottery and unveiling the spectacular wrecker. The episode was never produced, leaving the truck without its television debut. For decades, Lil Redd Wrecker remained largely forgotten. Its story returned to public attention in 2020 when Bo Boakman and the Galpin Auto Sports team restored it on the television series Car Kings. During the restoration, Ed Newton visited the workshop and reunited with the truck he had designed half a century earlier. Today, Lil Redd Wrecker is preserved in the Galpin Auto Sports Museum in Los Angeles. It remains an outstanding example of 1970s American show car culture, combining advanced engineering, extravagant styling, and Hollywood history in a single unforgettable custom vehicle.